let's practice our special sounds. So remember, when you see the special sound, you tell me the letters, you say the sound, and then you tell me the word that they gave us that the special sound is in. Are you ready? Say it with me. S-M says sm, like smoke. S-C says sk, like in scat. Scat, cat. B-R says brr, like in bride. Do you remember what this is called at the end? He gives all his strength to that I so he can say its name. It's a magic E. D-R says dur, like in drum. P-R says purr, like in pray. G-R says grr, like in grin. G-L says gl, like in glue. F-L says full, like in flake. Oh, what's this at the end again? The magic E. C-L says cl, like in clock. B-L says bull, like in block. Ooh, remember T-H? How many sounds does T-H have? Let's start with this one. Remember, on T-H, you get to stick your tongue out at me. So T-H says V. Oh, T-H says like in thick. And T-H says V, like in this. S-H says sh, like in ship. T-R says tur, like in train. Oh, we have another long vowel. Remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. F-R says fur, like in frog. P-L says pull, like in plane. S-T says st, like in stop. A-Y says A, like in pray. Y says I, like in fly. C-K says k, like in duck. E says E, like in me. O says O, like in go. Good job.